Here's your virtual typewriter tour from Mesa Typewriter Exchange.
We got a Royal from the 30s, portable, little Smith Corona Skywriter and Olympia. That's an SM7, Olympian SM3, and SF series portable. Underwood leader, not that great a typewriter. We got a little Continental, you don't see many of those. Over here, a Royal number 5. Some machines in the window, a Woodstock. There you go, Jimmy. We've got an Underwood long carriage. We got a blue Quiet Deluxe. That's what the girls like. An Olympia. There's an old Smith Premier. The Marx Brothers used that in one of their movies. We got an Oliver number 7. A Corona. There's a noiseless Remington. Look at there. It still made noise. More Remingtons. A blue Corona. No, excuse me. Purple, whatever. Corona 4. There's an Argyle typewriter from the Spiegel catalog. Look at all these machines. Hermes. Blick. Don't you love it?
I love it.